Morning students, this video is for class 6 science chemistry. This is the first class of chemistry of your class. Previously I have explained there was one class of biology. I have finished off with physics first chapter and today we will start with chemistry. Before we start chemistry, first we have to understand what is chemistry. Chemistry is a branch of science that deals with the study of composition, structure, chemical properties of matter, the change that undergo as well as the uses of various chemical substances. Now actually we know chemistry means the first thing that comes in our mind is chemistry means chemical. But yes, it is actually chemicals, but the study of chemicals. But then not only we have to understand not only the chemicals, but we have to understand the composition, the structures and each and every properties related to the chemicals. What do you understand by the word composition? If you take a chemical, what are the composition in it? What are the contents in it? What are the ingredients in it? That is represented as composition. You will generally find composition mostly in medicines. Like when you go to buy medicines, if you turn the medicines, like the tablets or the capsule, the slabs or the tabs, that you will find composition. That means what are the things that is used to make that medicine. Structures means the shape and size of matter. Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. So structure is the shape, the size of the matter. Physicals, what do you understand by physical properties? Physical properties means the appearance, how does it look, the texture, the color, the melting point, the boiling point is all the physical properties of matter. Let us come to the chemical properties. Chemical properties here means the properties to combine with other, to mix with other, to form a new substance. Not only one substance, it can be more than one substance also. So that property of mixing with or combining with another to form a separate substance is called chemical properties. Now the change that undergo. Now the change that undergo means, suppose what is the change? Now when you burn something, I'll give you one example. Like suppose if you are burning a paper or burning wood, that wood or paper converts into a new substance called ash. Or sometimes wood is converted into charcoal, that is coal that is formed out of wood. Now that changes that takes place is the change that undergo when any action is being done to the matter. And the uses of various chemical substances. Now you see, there are lots of uses. We will be learning about the uses of chemical substances when you go further into the chapters. Now I hope by now you all have understood what is chemistry. Chemistry is that branch of science that deals with the study of composition. Again I repeat, composition means the ingredients out of which the proper matter is made. Structures, the shape, size of the matter. Physical properties means the appearance, the texture, the looks, the color, the melting point, boiling point, everything. Chemical properties means the property of combining, the property to combine with other chemicals to form a new substance. The change that undergo, that means when an action is being taken on a matter, what is the change that we can see? The change can be physical change, the change can be chemical change. Physical change means, suppose if you take a rock, you break it, you see the change, you see a size is small, sometimes you see appearance is different, sometimes you will see sometimes you will see the melting point changes, the physical boiling point changes. So there are physical changes. Sometimes when you see chemical properties means the property to combine with other. The change that undergo, whatever changes that undergo, either physical, chemical, composition, structures, whatever changes is when you take an action on a matter. And the uses of chemical substances, as I have told you, we will learn this when you go further into the chapter. Now this chemistry is is vast in level. So this chemistry is again divided. Chemistry is divided into, first is inorganic, second is organic, the third is physical. Now, the first one is organic chemistry. This chemistry is divided into three categories: inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry, and physical chemistry. What is inorganic chemistry? Inorganic chemistry is the study of elements and compounds except carbon and carbon compound. So here the study of all the elements we will be learning or we will be understanding falls under the heading inorganic chemistry except carbon and its compound. Organic chemistry is the study of that carbon and carbon compound. Whatever was left here inorganic, that study of carbon and carbon compound is organic chemistry. And physical chemistry is the study of principle of methodologies of chemistry. That means it deals with the chemical structure and physical properties of substances. Now when you take any substances, it has got some physical properties as well as chemical properties. The study of those properties, physical as well as chemical properties, is the study of physical chemistry. Now you see scientists, you must have heard that many scientists undergo many experiments, keeping in mind about the physical properties and the chemical properties. The study of a particular matter regarding the physical properties and the chemical properties is physical chemistry. Now organic chemistry, come to the definition. It is the study of elements and compounds other than carbon and hydrocarbons. That is, it is the study of all the elements and compounds except carbon and its compound. Organic chemistry, it is the study of carbon and carbon compounds. And physical chemistry it is the study of the principles and methodologies. What are the methods that we carry on when you study chemistry, or when you undergo any experiment, or when you conduct any experiment? Those methodologies and principles is physical chemistry. So children, I have already explained what is chemistry and the categories into which chemistry is divided. So students, please go through this so that you can understand much better. And tomorrow I will start with the historical perspective of chemistry. How did chemistry develop so much, and how did the methodologies or technologies have improved chemistry? So for today we will learn up to this much. Next day I will start the development of chemistry. How did chemistry develop so much? So for today, thank you students. Please go through this in the house.